guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quick relaxing power hour. Wyatt just went down for his nap, so I'm just going to start with cleaning up everything and getting things tidy again. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day, and before we go any further, I'm just going to get into the collaboration that I'm having today. It's with Cassidy. I've known this girl basically since I started my YouTube journey. She found my channel and we've just been great friends ever since. She's also doing a power hour today, so make sure when you finish checking out my video to head over there and show her some love. Tell her I sent you. She's setting up for Valentine's Day and I'm so excited to check out her decorations as well. So yes, please head over there and subscribe, like her video, comment, and tell her I sent you. So we've actually been out of water for like 3 or 4 days, so I have a buttload of dishes to do. We're just gonna basically start getting those organized and washed. But first I'm just gonna get some coffee put away and some groceries. I just had to exchange some bread because I had a problem with my grocery pickup, which usually doesn't happen. But anyways, getting this all sorted out, going to fill up the coffee machine and get these dishes going. So because we live on a well, I do fill up all the water bottles with boiled water. I just don't trust the water that we have. And this is Wyatt's food container, so I'm just getting it organized a little bit more because I find that when I go to grab something out of there, everything's just thrown in. So I just wanted to make it a little bit easier for me throughout the day. If you have dishes to do, please go and join me now. We are going to be doing the biggest dishwashing marathon ever. Let's do it, guys. So you can see just how crusted the food got onto these dishes, and that's why I'm going to let them soak for a little while. So I'm just giving everything a good wipe down now. And finally just making a coffee. And then I just wanted to give the bathroom a quick refresh too. I just did this. If you missed that video, I'm gonna make sure I link it down below, but I just find with our water, everything gets so hard and literally just the water stains everywhere. So I just wanted to wipe things down again. the dishes away so I can get ready to do some more.
I heard you say it. We're falling like stars, and I didn't notice.
Oh, yeah, that's great. So now we've got this mess to clean up too. So now that I've got the kitchen pretty well cleaned up, I'm just gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna get my deodorant on, brush my teeth, comb my hair. And my little kitty wanted to come and say hello. Such a snuggle bug. And seriously, if you guys haven't done your dishes yet today, you need to get them done. Like, this is the third time I'm doing dishes in this video alone, so go get your dishes done. Then we're just wiping down the rest of the kitchen. Then I'm gonna pick up all the laundry that is kind of scattered around our house. And then my kitchen table again has gathered so many things, so I'm just gonna go around and kind of tidy that up, get it cleared. I found Wyatt's cute little Crocs in there. I can't get over these things. But yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up and straighten things up again. And then we're just diffusing eucalyptus. I've really just been enjoying this winter. I find it clears me out, keeps us fresh, keeps us breathing right. What's your favorite blend? And that's it. The power hour is done. We are just relaxing and cuddling with the cat, drinking our coffees. And if you're coming from Cassidy's channel, I would really love for you to stick around. I post every week. We put up similar content, and I think you'd really enjoy my channel. And I'd love to have you. So subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll